Alright, so, hi, thank you for watching my channel. I restore, well, I collect and I restore vintage Kodak cameras, as you can see here. Yes. They get stubborn when they're this old. Got him. Without completely damaging it. And there you go, there goes the whole faceplate just came off. Clean that glass. Almost brand new. There goes dust. The mirror still is somewhat reflective, so you can see it. Ow. Shoe polish. Well, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment, let me know what you think. And I'll be back probably next week with a new video.